Today I want to show you how easy you can grow cucumbers. I love this vegetable because it doesn't need too much care. This is early spring and I'm going to plant the seeds that I saved from my last year cucumbers. Make a hole on the soil at least 10 centimeters deep and place 3 seeds. Cover it with soil and don't forget to keep the soil moisture. Remember that the most important thing here is to have a nice and dark soil full of nutrients. That will help the plant to grow nicely and bigger. After week 3, I water the plant every single day. This type of plant grows very fast. It usually takes between 55 to 70 days to grow. And remember that it needs a lot of space. You have to make or build a structure because the cucumber plant is a vine. It needs something to wrap around. But week 8, the cucumber is ready to be eaten and you can pick it up. It's the best time. In our case, you will see that our cucumbers are a little bit yellowish, and it's because we were not able to pick them on week 8 and they mature very fast. So 1 week makes such a big difference. They were a little bit more juicy than normal, but still they have a nice flavor.
When I look into your eyes, you had me in your hand like a puppet. Soon enough I realized.
And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you wanna see more of my garden. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye!